Hello. This is a New York trading session that has just kicked in, started just a short while back. That's already 12 minutes into the New York trading session. We are just a few minutes after midday on the session, and welcome today. This is the 1st of November, NFP Day. Happy New Month, everybody. Well, here you see I'm already on the Bitcoin chart. Huh? Everybody's waiting for that new high to be breached. It didn't happen overnight. As I said yesterday, I'm keenly looking at it. Last highs we saw were around just before 2022, which was followed by a huge retracement towards the end of 2022. There you can see it. There, last time the prices bottomed out towards the end of 2022, and these are new price highs that we are seeing in 2024, which have just been reached again towards the end of 2024. This is November 2024. And so what are we expecting? If you look at this, you can tell straight away that we're expecting new highs soon from Bitcoin. Yes, I'm also on that bandwagon, on that train. I also agree that Bitcoin is going to new highs very soon. We're just about 4 days out to the US elections, and predictions out there are that as the markets are affected by the election season in US, it will also it will be reflected in the Bitcoin market as well, in the crypto market. So I'm still taking a keen look at this Bitcoin market. As I said yesterday, yes, Bitcoin is in my portfolio. I'm one of those people who are just buying and holding. So I'm buying and holding on this. Is this a good time to trade the Bitcoin? If you are at your daily trading on it, no. If you're swing trading, no, not at all as well. Keenly observe. We wait. Why are we still waiting and being patient on this? Simply because of these movements. You can tell that there has been a slowing down of the buys. They're not coming in as strong and as fast as they were before. And for that reason, we just chill and wait. Yes, I do see this huge rejection here, but that doesn't tell the whole story. Yesterday, I said probably around 69K would be a good entry. We did breach that entry and went lower to 68.9K, which is okay. It's still playing out. As I said, I wouldn't jump in yet. No clear indication that there is any pullback or retracement that is setting out a pullback that is, so we don't have to jump in yet. No point of looking for a place to enter yet, but keenly observing. We'll be keenly observing this over the weekend. Worth looking at daily this month, just to see what's going on there. So we continue with our yen pairs. We were looking out for the pound yen. And here we go, the pound yen. I like this movement. I saw an entry setting up for just about there at 195. But I'm seeing it going in deeper. Still waiting for a stronger pullback. I am waiting for that. I'm pretty much convinced that we're waiting for still some move down. This was huge, 2,800 pips, quite something. Huh? And for that reason, we're waiting for a move around 194, 194.265. If it does breach that, 194.265, we'll probably look for a better entry at 194.086. Yes, I am looking to jump into this. This is a great swing trade that's about to kick in. Don't miss it. You can see the sell-offs are still coming in, very strong. The buy is not as strong. If you go down to that's a daily chart. We're going down to the 1 hour and just taking a look at what's happening there as well. We can see there's still major selling off going on. The buys are not yet quite convinced that these are the best prices yet. The yen still seems to be weakening, and but for now we just wait for this pullback to come in. It's still on the weakening, so we are looking for a way in to go up. For that reason, I'm not looking to trade this right now. For those who are risk takers, yes, you can look for another dip down, but I'm not looking for that as well. I'm not looking for an entry for that. As I said, my price is at 194.2, thereabout, to 194.086. That is my entry. I trade observing the markets. When it gives me a price, that's when I kick in. As we progress closer to those prices, we'll tell whether there's a good entry setting up or not. Well, this did show as if this did seem like the prices were bottoming out, and there's quite some evidence that had reached a good price to enter in, but I'm waiting for one more move down. Not everybody's as convinced as I am, but I'm being patient on this. I'm waiting for a strong buy to kick in. No strong buys yet, not convinced yet. Okay, so that leaves us with the Aussie yen. Let's take a look at the Aussie yen. We jump to the daily of the Aussie yen. Aussie yen. There we are on the Aussie yen. Can look at this. As I said, we're on the daily. And what do I see? I see a classic move. I see a beautiful move here. And this was quite a deep one, very fast, very strong. Is it still a seller's market? I'm not so sure if it's still a seller's market. Looks like a buyer's market has already kicked in. Very strong, very strong. The Aussie yen, the last best entry was at around 99.878. For that reason, that was about that happened yesterday, and I'm looking for the next best entry at just happened at 100.198. For that reason, I'm probably in on that trade already. I was looking for an entry at 100.198. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Let's take a look at it and see what it's telling us. What's there? What's there? Are we right on the money? Ready to secure the bag? The movement has already started upwards. Yes, strong buys coming in. Convinced yet? There it was, 171. I was looking for an entry at 198. Would have been there about. Therefore, this is already in. I'm already in on this in my favor. Just about less 11 pips or so. to 198, 11 pips or so. Very tight stop loss. Now I'm riding this all the way up. This is going to be a huge movement. If you're not yet in, get in now. That's Aussie yen. This is down to the 1 hour. That leaves us with what do you look at? The Kiwi yen. Kiwi yen as well is taking off to the upside. You can see that movement kicking in very nicely, very strong. So we're going to be taking a look at this probably this coming weekend as we're chatting, planning for the coming week. There should be a lot of movement in the markets with the US elections, as I said. So let's take a keen look at that. Trade carefully, trade keenly. Volatility will definitely be high. Today's NFP is coming in the next 5 minutes or so. And for that reason, also volatility in the markets expected. We'll probably look at that as an aftermath. But for now, what do we see on the, oh, that's the 1 hour. Let's go up to the, I'm looking at the dollar yen, and I'm going up to the daily. That's up to the daily. What do I see? Am I convinced that there's still an opportunity to jump in? Huge strong movement downwards, a huge retracement here. So we're looking for a pullback so that you can come in. One probably should set up soon at around 150.65, on thereabout. 150.7 would be a good place to enter. Setting up very nicely. So we're going to watch this keenly. Prices will probably just drop suddenly to the 150.721 mark and shoot right back up. That's what we expect on the dollar yen. So thank you for joining. Please do take a closer look at the markets. Always confirm, and happy trading. Thank you.